Hi everybody, my name's Minel. I'm the recruitment lead with Girl Scouts Heart of Central California. Today I'm going to teach you a recipe to do a hearty healthy salad, and I'm going to show you a little trick with my KitchenAid stand mixer, so we're going to start there. I typically do my meal planning on Sundays, and so what I've done is I've taken a packet of chicken breast and I've poached it, which is just putting it in warm water, essentially boiling it. And what you're gonna get is this. You can see it's still steaming a little bit, but I'm gonna show you how you can use your KitchenAid stand mixer to actually shred it, and it's a real big time saver. Okay, so we've got the chicken in. This is the paddle. It's the normal paddle that comes with. You wanna make sure you lock it. And then what I do is I put it on the next setting past stir, which is number 2. Tip on this would be, don't let it run too long. Don't go and use the bathroom or go run another errand that you may be doing. If you leave it too long, it's gonna be really, really tiny versus it being shredded. So we'll let that just run, and you can see it's actually starting to shred the chicken. The key here is that you're actually taking it right out of the pan once it's been poached. It needs to be warm. It doesn't work as well if you have cold chicken. So I literally just took it right out of the pot and stuck it in here. Usually about maybe a minute, minute and a half. Because I put 3 breasts in there, it's going a little bit longer, but it's done. I don't want to go any longer than that because then it will be tiny. But now you can see I've got this wonderful shredded chicken. So for the sake of the fact that this just came out and it's warm, I'm not going to actually use this chicken. I shredded a piece prior so that you don't put warm chicken in with your lettuce. It's going to wilt your lettuce, which we definitely don't want. Nothing worse than a soggy salad. Okay, we're going to start with the salad. I'm going to use bag lettuce. You can use different type of lettuce. This is a combination of butter lettuce, which we like, and the red butter lettuce. You can use romaine, whatever works for your family. This is just a really easy one. I'm going to do a lunch today, so this is a family favorite when we're all kind of doing our own thing on the weekend. So you can see, good color. There's some purple in there. Then what I like to do is put the chicken in. So this is the chicken that I did prior, the same way I showed you. It's just been in the refrigerator, so this way it won't wilt my lettuce. Because there's 3 of us eating it, this is the part that makes it really hearty, is because there's protein in there. If you aren't a chicken person, you can certainly put crab in. You could put tuna in. We just really like it with the chicken, so that's what I'm doing for my family today. Then what I like to do is use an avocado. This is a nice ripe one. Okay, I'm gonna score my avocado. If you watched me do my guacamole, you know why I do that. It helps it just to come out a little bit better. This is nice and ripe. I kind of pinch it a little bit to get that seed to pop up for me and take that out. Again, I'm gonna score it, which is just cutting it vertically and then cutting it diagonally. Don't want to leave any of that yummy avocado on the board. Really nice. Okay, so you can see I've got the lettuce, the chicken, and the avocados now in there. I also like to put a hard-boiled egg in there. Cracking the shell, and I'm just getting rid of it in my little compost bin here that I have. I find that it's a little bit easy if you take the egg out maybe a couple minutes before you're ready to actually cut, get all the shell off. And then I've got a handy little tool here that I'm going to use. That's going to cut the egg for me. Woo. Slices it up really good, as you can see. That was kind of a small egg, so I think I'm going to put 2 eggs in. So I'll show you. It shreds it and cuts it really nice the way it slices it. And I'm just going to put that in. Now we like to have crunchy, and I also like something sweet. I like to add croutons. Because I'm stirring this up, it probably doesn't matter, but again, it's just the way I'm layering it. There's 3 of us eating this, so that's why I'm putting so many croutons in. So you can see the croutons in there now. I like to add cranberries, so giving myself a little something sweet in there. Sometimes I'll put sunflower seeds or shaved almonds, but usually the croutons do the trick for something crunchy. It really just depends on what we feel like eating. Okay, there's a crouton. Again, there's my color that I like so much. I also like to add a little bit of a Bermuda onion, so I'm gonna cut that. Let me move this so you can actually see what I'm doing here. And if you have family members that aren't big fans of onion, you certainly don't have to put that in. You may also notice that I didn't put tomatoes in. I like tomatoes in a salsa or pico de gallo. I don't really care for them in a salad, so I don't put them in there. And because I'm making the salad, my family lets me get away with that. So I'm gonna put some onion in there, cut it up really good, as you can see. I like a lot of onions, so I'm just putting a little bit in for now. I'll add more in for my actual salad that I'm gonna do, but my husband and my daughter don't like the onion as much as I do, so I put more in after I take theirs out. Okay, so now you'll see you've got the lettuce, the chicken's on the bottom, the avocado, the hard-boiled egg. We've put cranberries in, we've put croutons in, and I just put the onion. What am I missing? Oh yeah, the dressing. I like a really nice balsamic. And shake it up really good. And to each their own for how you like it. I know my dad likes a lot of vinegar, so I feel like his, when he makes a salad, it's swimming in the dressing. I don't particularly like it that way, neither does my family, but it's your salad, you're gonna make it the way you want to. But you definitely want to toss it so the balsamic gets in and gets on everything that we've put in the bowl. So the lettuce, the chicken, the egg, the avocado, those yummy cranberries, which are going to make it really sweet. The onion's going to give it a little bit of a kick and some acidity as well, as will the balsamic. You may choose to put cucumbers in. There's a lot of other things you can do, whatever works for you and your family. But what I like about it is it's just nice and hearty. Okay, so here we have it, nice and tossed. Let's scoop some up. Okay, let's try it. That was just lettuce. I need a little bit more. I didn't get any chicken or the egg. It's good. Just like I thought. You've got that little kick of the acidity from the balsamic vinegar. You've got the sweet from the cranberries. You've got the crunch from the croutons. And that little bit of the kick from the onion. All right. Well, there you go. That's my hearty, healthy salad. And I showed you a little trick with the KitchenAid stand mixer so you can start shredding chicken if you have one of those. Bye, everybody.